Gina Anderson. Today I'm talking about fallacy number 15, the ultimate fallacy, that the body is not designed to heal. What if the greatest lie in modern medicine is that your body is not designed to heal? Because every second of your life, it is. Right now, your cells are repairing damaged DNA, your liver is regenerating tissues, your immune system is learning, adapting, remembering, your brain is rewiring itself. You are not static. You are dynamically self repairing. When you cut your skin, did a drug close the wound? Or did your body orchestrate clotting, inflammation, collagen formation, and remodeling? When you break a bone, does medicine knit it together? Or does your biology rebuild it? Medicine can stabilize, medicine can support, medicine can remove obstacles, but it does not manufacture healing. Healing is innate. So, why do we feel broken? Because chronic stress disrupts regulation, because toxins overwhelm detox pathways, because nutrient depletion slows our repair, and because nervous system dysregulation blocks recovery. Disease is often exhausted adaptation, not absence of design. True medicine doesn't override the body. It honors its intelligence. It protects regulation. It restores terrain and it removes interference. You are not a broken machine. You are a living, adaptive, self repairing system. The healer is not the practitioner, the healer is the body. Remember, you are built to heal. Trust the blueprint.